Welcome to Wisdom Wednesday, where we take a breath in the middle of our week and gain a little perspective. Earlier this week, we talked about planting your flag, making the decision to start. But what happens when the excitement of a new beginning fades? What keeps us moving forward when the view gets cloudy? Well, that's what today is all about: perspective. Perspective isn't just how we see things, it's the story we tell ourselves about what we see. Two different people can experience the exact same challenge differently. One sees it as an obstacle, the other sees it as an opportunity. The difference isn't luck, it's which lens you view things through. When you adjust your lens, your life changes. Not because the world changed, but because you did. When life tightens around us, our focus narrows. We fixate on the problem, the issue, the deal that fell through, the relationship that cracked, the plan that didn't pan out. And when we fixate, we lose perspective. Sometimes the best thing we can do for clarity isn't to work harder, but it's just simply take a step back. Perspective doesn't come from intensity. It comes from a distance or a pause, like we spoke about on Monday. When I feel stuck or off track, here are three things that always help me reset my perspective. Number one, a change of environment. I simply go outside, go for a walk, get in nature. Movement changes energy. Number two, I ask better questions. Instead of why me, I ask, what is this teaching me? What am I supposed to learn from this? And number three, remember the long game. You're not behind, you're becoming. Wisdom isn't about knowing everything, it's about seeing things differently. Perspective is the bridge between where you are and where you want to go. When you change how you see, you change how you live. And this Friday, we'll take that new perspective and talk about freedom. Not the kind that depends on circumstances, but the kind that is built on choice. Because once your mind is free, your life follows. See you on Friday for Freedom Friday. And remember, your renaissance starts with how you see.